Ever wondered how some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others struggle for years? It's not luck, it's rules. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best rules that will help you make money easily and become rich faster than you ever imagined. Stick around, because rule number 5 might completely change how you think about wealth. Rule number 1. Solve problems that people care about. The easiest way to make money is by solving problems that people are willing to pay for. Whether it's creating an app, offering a service, or selling a product, if you provide value, people will gladly hand over their cash. Remember, the bigger the problem, the bigger the payday. Rule number 2. Learn high-income skills. Money flows to those with in-demand skills. High-income skills like copywriting, coding, or investing can put you in a position where companies and clients are fighting to pay you. Spend time learning, and soon enough, your income will skyrocket. Rule number 3. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income is risky. The rich understand this, so they build multiple income streams, whether through businesses, investments, or passive income sources like real estate or dividend stocks. If one stream dries up, you've got others keeping your cash flow strong. Rule number 4. Use other people's money and time. Rich people rarely build wealth alone. They use other people's money, like business loans or investors, to fund their ventures and scale faster. They also leverage other people's time by hiring talented teams. This way, they multiply their efforts and income exponentially. Rule number 5. Build wealth, not just money. Here's the game changer. Focus on building wealth, not just earning money. Wealth comes from owning assets that grow in value over time. Stocks, businesses, real estate. The rich don't just work for money. They make their money work for them. Follow these 5 rules, and you'll be on your way to building real wealth and financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and let us know in the comments which rule you're going to start applying today. Remember, success starts with action. So start now.